We recently got a call from someone who had just been named the executor of his late uncle's estate. The home was here in Phoenix and he wasn't. And what they found when he arrived was, well, overwhelming. His uncle had been a hoarder, and at one point the vice president of Hallmark in East Asia. The home was packed with collectibles and decades of stuff. We worked with an attorney and the court to clear title, then arranged an estate sale team who spent 2 weeks sorting, organizing, and selling what they could. But we didn't stop there. Because his uncle was a veteran, we donated the remaining items to a veteran-run thrift store. And the thousands of unused gift cards, we gave them to a nonprofit that sends letters to troops overseas. So if you're facing a probate situation and don't know where to begin, this is where, at 𝐀𝐫𝐤, we can handle your messy part, we can take care of you and take care of your situation.